Welcome everybody to the fourth Hands-on Agile webinar. Today we will be talking about Agile failure patterns. I'm your host, Stefan Wolpes. This webinar is not intended to be some kind of complaining sessions. It's about pointing at issues that are usually located outside the sphere of influence of the Scrum team, the Scrum Master, or Agile coach, and that are likely to derail or stall a transition effort to become an Agile organization. So my experience, functional silos, rigid budgeting process, and hierarchies from the heydays of the Ford Motor Company proved to be a really fertile ground for Agile transitions to fail. There are, in the end, numerous signs of failures depending on the context of the organization, its size, its history, the products, what markets you are addressing, in which part of the world you are actually working. So I picked basically my dirty dozen and I arranged them into three categories: systemic issues, personal issues, and tech, team, and facility issues. Please keep in mind, when we go through a few slides now, that companies are complex systems, and systems thinking is one of the major requirements that you need to apply to understand why things are not going the way they're supposed to go.